videos.
Here you are, setting a bird. Oh, really?
Yeah, give him one of the sick ones. You must be able to get one of those sick ones for $1.
Come on, memory space. Gotta be wondering what he's gonna do with it since he went to tourist.
Plenty of fucking minutes of video.
Where are we at? The second part. Start now?
Now.
No, a bag. What the hell are you gonna do with a bag and a bird?
Dead one is shooting.
A dead one's not gonna fly away. Oh, he's sitting dead one. Hand. No, I hope that won't put it just in. It'll fly away. Oh, really well. What's going on?
Trying to get a different one with a lighter and 76 cents more. They charge us $10.
Sure. Let's go to. I'll
favorite.
Yeah. I gotta pause that for a second.
Had it right here from
He really did put it in a bag. What's that all about? Come on. Freedom.
You want to say
Freedom.
Are you filming?
Yeah, freedom. We just bought a bird for a lighter and a pocket full of change, and then we're gonna set it free. Don't throw it at me.
Hi.
Adios, mi. Oh, it's a. Oh, where'd it go? Idiot. What a stupid bird. You want to try to set it free somewhere else?
Yeah, it was.
It didn't get too far. It's not going anywhere. It's a moron. Josh, it's right here. Right there.